He was mad because your mama said we ain't buying no fake ass jewelry. It's currently in 5, and I'm going to shower real quick and just let myself up with the drive. But this vlog, as you can see, is on our trip. So stay tuned if you get into this video. We finna leave. So last night I had made me a few things that I need to remember. I need to pack some more socks, get my 12s, put my jewelry on, and make sure I get my AirPods. I'll be forgetting my AirPods. So, and I still record, so I am recording. It is 8:34, and I'm about to finish pack everything up. I have everything packed, but I need like the little stuff like my socks, my shoes. And then other than that, I'm gonna see y'all in the car. Guys, so we are on our way to get my cousins and to get my grandma, because my grandma has to dog sit. I'm sorry, Granny. I'm sorry, but we're about to go get them. So that's the vlog. Good morning. And right now it's 9 o'clock on the dot.
Excuse me. And now it's cold outside, and it's raining. How's it rain on your vacation day?
At least we're not going to be in vacation here.
No, my vacation starts when I pull out the driveway. Out the driveway. It starts immediately. I'm on vacation. Just want everybody to know that. Okay. Back to it.
We gonna see y'all when we get back and we're back on the road. We picked up grandma. Okay guys, the time is getting real late. We are just really behind. But we picked up the cousins.
You know it's dangerous, but
so it's now 9:47.
It's like going out in space. I know, I want to go to the ocean.
And my mom and my granny is yelling about the people in the submarine.
I definitely don't want.
So we're gonna talk to y'all.
If you get me on the boat, you
10:30.
Does nobody care about you, Big Panther? I don't even know why that's even in the conversation.
What's up, vlog? So it is now 12:20. And we are currently on the road. I've been driving for almost an hour and a half now. We just exited our state, about 4 hours away. 3-ish something. Yeah. Anyways, we're just driving. I just want to give y'all an update, and I will see y'all when we switch time. Hey guys, I am done driving. It is 1:11, and I did me a nice two hours or something. So we're gonna go to Starbucks, gotta use the restroom, you know, stretch, and my mom finna switch, and I'm gonna see y'all get back in the car. We are almost there. We are almost there, so I'm gonna see y'all later. So guys, we just got our Starbucks. Everybody should our Starbucks drink. And it is currently 1:26. We got about 3 hours left. And we gonna keep pushing. I'm not driving no more. I get to get the cover, the pillow. I'm finna go sleep. What up, y'all? So it is 5:20. We did get caught in traffic, so we're here a little later than we expected. But we're here now. Hey guys, so we made it to where we will be staying. It is 6 o'clock on the dot. Woo, 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 woo. So right now we're waiting, cause we're came as a family, so we're waiting for our other family members to bring us our key or whatever to our room, for where our room is and all that. But yeah, say hi y'all. And I don't know what we're doing today yet, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm not dressed at all. I got Crocs on and some tights, so like I'm not dressed at all. But yeah, so we're finna get dressed in my mom's room. And then we're gonna get some food and we're gonna go to the strip. So we're gonna see y'all when we get to doing that. Peace. Okay, so this is the outfit that I made. I'm gonna put my shoes on and then that's how we're gonna go.
So guys, so now we're still almost there. We haven't got there yet, but we're on our way there.
We got to the food place. We finna eat some food real quick. Little buffet place. What we got to eat today was a fry from McDonald's. So we eat that. Y'all excited?
Yep.
Hey guys, so we just left the restaurant. We got some coupon things. And yeah, I'm just too excited. I'm too happy right now. I'm just trying to be joyful in every moment I can. You know, grateful for everything in my life. It is 8:44 and just living life, y'all. Just out here living life. We are in Cedarville, Tennessee. And I'm gonna get back to y'all because I think we're finna go to like the mountain coaster. And I'm kind of scared, but we finna see y'all there. So we're at the mountain coaster and we're finna go ride it. I'm gonna try to vlog if I can't vlog, but we'll see. But we're finna ride this little coaster in the mountains and it's kind of scary, but we're about to do it. Peace. And we're finna go on the mountain, so I don't know.
Guys, we're going up. Water coming out of nowhere, bro. It was going full. It was fun. It's not really that. It's not really that. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I got it was. It's a little scary though. See you later. Phone up.
We just made it back to where we live at. Mountain coaster was definitely 10 out of 10, as I already said. And we are finally going to see where we're going to be sleeping. I can't wait to show you guys around. So you walk in. We got the little kitchen or whatever. Some slice. You turn this way and you go this way. We got a nice little bedroom in here. Two, closet, TV, 2 beds. And if you come in this door, it's another bedroom. Okay. Come in here. This is the bathroom. The bathroom kind of nice. Then this is the actual bathroom. This is like the that part. And then come over here, like the little dining area, living room. Say hi, y'all. You come over here. This is the master bathroom. This is where I'm finna be, y'all. Got a nice little tub in here you can soak. And then this is the beds where I'm gonna be sleeping at. Got us a nice mirror. And that's not too much to it. That's really it. But basically, we all just sharing this, like all the girls, so yeah. Hey y'all, so we finna not pack in, but get settled in and all that. And I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back because we just got a lot of stuff to do because we just got in here. So we're gonna finish all that and I'm gonna be back with y'all. Peace. Hey vlog, we're all settled in. It is currently 11:20. Stop cussing. Oh my God. It's 11:20. And we are just hanging out. He getting his hair dyed. So we're gonna see how it turned out. So other than that, everybody just chilling in night clothes. And that's it. So we're gonna talk to y'all later. Got done playing some games. It is 11:58. And honestly, time to go to bed because we gotta get up in the morning. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Actually, I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow when I wake up. So good first day, good day coming in. And we're gonna see y'all tomorrow. Alright, so I just woke up and not 57. So we're gonna go 4-wheeler. And I'm wearing pants that I wore yesterday on this shirt. I sleep beside me because you're not supposed to wear good clothes. Because you're dirty and yeah. So we gotta come back in the shirt anyway. So I'm gonna do that, brush my teeth and all that. And then see how my day picks up. So it is currently, look at the time, 10:10. And we're about to go to the ATV. So we are gonna see y'all when we get there. So we got our wristband, I'm sorry, for 11:30. So we're not gonna start till 11:30. Guys, so we are now in here. And I did bring my camera, of course, because why not? But this is the ATVs. So, we gotta get helmets and all that, and yeah. Hey vlog, got our helmets on.
How do you feel about the ride?
With our helmets. My 4-wheeler are a little dirty, but it's gonna be fine. And we're gonna go on a ride. I can't take y'all on a ride with me because I just can't take y'all on a ride with me because I can't even hold it and I ain't got no phone stand. I wish I had a phone stand, but I don't. But I will see y'all when we stop in a minute. We stop at Mountain Pictures and all that, so I will see y'all when we get there. Hey guys, so I just slipped in mud. Like my foot. Oh. And I got mud all over me. But we are at the point where, it's the, y'all got a little. So, yeah. So, I'ma see y'all when we keep going. Okay guys, so we just got done riding. It was great. What's that grade? What y'all rated? I rated a 10 out of 10. 10, but we had a little slow people in front of us. But it was still 10 out of 10. And I'm really dirty. But it's okay. It was worth it. So y'all should come check out JL Ranch. And yeah. Vlog, so we finna go to Walmart, into the corner store. We finna go get So we're going to Walmart to the corner store. Yeah, we just got back on my lottery tickets. And we're finna get dressed to go swimming. Hey guys, so I'm so dry. Like, my face is so dry. But we're back and we're eating. Just a little snack before we get in the shower and go to the shirt. Swimming was fun.
At least it's clean. Let me get a towel.
Okay, y'all. So we made it to the strip. And we are about to go to the place I wanted to go to. We got everybody here. And I'm just ready. I put my rings. But my hair is a little, I gotta get it back together when I get home because it's like everywhere and I'm not messing with it for real. But that's what's going on right now. We just walking and I'ma see y'all when we get to the place. The game got so intense. Oh, my hair, y'all. The game got so intense. I turned my hair back. It was really fun. It was really fun. I love Activate. I recommend Activate 1,000 out of 10. Yeah, prepare. Yeah, bring you some water.
It's tear time.
Yo, he was mad. Your mama said, we ain't buying no fake ass jewelry. And I said, we ain't paying $40 for some fake ass jewelry. $7 tax. It don't matter if it was $2. Ain't nobody paying for those fake ass.
So we got kicked out the store. So y'all, we got kicked out the store.
We can go to Zills, Jared, Kay.
Yeah. So we we were supposed to go home, and then we ended up pulling up to the go-kart place. So I guess we're gonna do a little something over here. I'm ready to go home. I'm tired. Brain tired. But other than that, we're gonna leave.
Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, I rode the bull. And I freaking hurt my hand. Y'all can't tell. But I don't hurt my leg. So I don't own copyright to this music. But yeah. So I hurt my hand and I hurt my leg on the bull. But we finally on our way home. Come see how we get to the crib.
Yeah, so we made it back to the house. Everybody doing their own thing. So Lamar ain't finna go to sleep. 12:56. Better go night. So I guess I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I don't know if we're leaving tomorrow or not. So that depends on what's going on. But see y'all later. Good night. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Well, I'm tired. But I'm finna go out here. I've been up for a little minute, but I just been laying down. See what everybody doing. Alright, so I am currently dressed. Let me turn this music off before I get copyrighted. But I'm currently dressed. So the plan for today, we were back and forth about leaving, not leaving. We're just gonna stay. Today we're gonna go to the crime museum and then to the outlet because I want to go shopping real quick. Other than that, we're not really doing nothing. Okay, this is the outfit. Got my low leathers on, jeans with this mini gold purse with my gold jewelry, my gold necklace. I always have necklace on, but nothing major, something too slight. I think I'm gonna put my hair up like a ponytail or something just to get out the way. Just something real simple, just to go to a museum and do stuff like that. So I'm finna work until get my hair done. But I don't got no hair ties. But it's okay. I'm gonna call y'all. What be wrong with me? I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get done doing all that. So guys, I put my hair up, I washed my teeth, I did my edges. The edges not staying as well, but I did them. So I don't really never wear my hair up. It's giving Genie Girl, but it's kind of cute. So that's my hair right now. And we finna go to the crime museum and the outlet. I'm a shopper girl. Alright, so we just made it here. Gonna go shopping, whatever. So I'm gonna see y'all back when we're done. Hey vlog, so I'm about to get a piercing. So as you guys know, I have the double helix on this ear. Gonna get a helix up here. I'm a little scared, and we are at Claire's in Gatlinburg. So the Claire's in Tennessee are allowed to do it. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna vlog it. Got my piercing. So exciting. It's currently 7:08. Back in the car. Went shopping. I'm gonna give y'all a haul when I get back to the house. And nothing too major. Y'all see my piercing?
We went to the Crocs store back here.
So I'm gonna see y'all later. We just came back to Gatlinburg Strip because my dad wasn't here with us yesterday, so we back here. He wanted the thing for real. Yeah, he is. He wanted the thing for real. So we might redo the activate game. Other than that, we finna walk the trip real quick. It's not really nothing to take y'all on because we was just on the trip yesterday, but I'm gonna keep y'all updated, of course. But the time is currently 7:42, so we gonna ride it out. Peace. Hey y'all, I'm on my hair because I just have to take it down. But we are on our way back down to our room. We just got here. And yeah, cause I think this was we said just chill out till my cousins get back so we can play a game. But I get today. It's like 7 out of 10. It was just cool. It was chilling. But I'm gonna see y'all later on. I always say that, but I really am. So peace. Hey guys, so we are back at the crib. What time is it, y'all? It is 1:01. So we have our
Not in our pajamas.
we are not in our pajamas, but we're about to do a TikTok in our pajamas, and we're going to sleep because we leave in the morning, and we need some time to go to sleep. So yeah. So other than that, I'm gonna tell y'all good night. I'm gonna talk to y'all in the morning. Y'all gonna talk to me when I go home. Period. Peace. What's up, y'all? Literally just woke up. Just opened my eyes. 8:23. I just wake up. Woke up about like 6 minutes ago. And yeah, it's time to go home. Everything packed up for real. All I gotta do is brush my teeth, do all that kind of stuff. And I'm done. So, without further ado, I'm finna do all that. I'm not gonna show y'all all that because it's really the show. So, I'm about to do all that, get ready. I'm gonna tell y'all when I get to the car. I don't wanna drive first. I did. Normally I like to drive first, but I'm tired. So, guess I'm gonna have to drive last. So, I am now dressed and ready. 8:46, and everybody keep telling me to look like I'm going on an airplane. So, that's like my Crocs. Oh, I didn't get y'all a haul. So I got these Crocs yesterday. They're so cute, too cute. They're Croc Echoes. Yeah, I got the Croc slides too. Ordered them. They should come in to my house pretty soon. I got some more charms for my Pandora. What else did I get yesterday? Is that it? Oh, I got my earpiece. Y'all know that. And that's pretty much. I got some more. I got a new earrings to put in my double helix up here. I need some smaller earrings. I still want them to be a little smaller because they're so close to each other. They're so close and I don't like them. I might get some hoops. I don't know. But that's pretty much it. You know? So on my way home, I'm gonna tell y'all when I get to the crib. Or I'm gonna sit out in the car. One or the other. I'm gonna see y'all later. It's bye-bye to the room. Bye-bye to the master. And it's time to go.
Nice night, the waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it. That's
guys, so it's 1:28 and we're almost home. Finna ride us back to the crib. And other than that, I'm gonna see y'all when I get home. Hey guys, so I am now home. And I would just like to say, the trip was really nice. It was a nice getaway. So thank y'all for liking, commenting, subscribing, and just follow me through this journey. Peace out. See y'all next time.
But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? I had some experience.